What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Uncle G, and I'm here to tell you all the things that your real uncle won't tell you. Today, we're going to talk about manscaping. The reason why you're here, because you growing some fur in the forest. Or some of y'all might already have some strings on your ding-a-ling. So that's why you tuning in right now. So I'm going to share with you the best clippers to use for manscaping. Hit it! Okay, by now you already had the conversation with your pubes like, hey man, it was nice while you were here, but I gotta cut you. See ya, and I wouldn't wanna be ya. So you just wondering, what should I do? What clippers should I use? I'm here to tell you. But before I get into the best clippers to use for manscaping, I'm gonna tell you why you should manscape. The number one reason why you should manscape, because it adds a few inches. It's something about it that makes your thing look bigger. I promise you, when you get out the shower and you look in the mirror, you're gonna be like, whoa, wait, look what I got here. I went from a half smoke to a whole smoke. The number two reason why you should manscape, because what's that I smell? Stinky balls? Yeah, no, you don't want the stinky ball smell. When you manscape, it's clean, so it eliminates bacteria. And when bacteria forms around your pubic area because of the hair, it creates a stench. So when the girl go down, she's like, mwah, 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 mwah. Ew, that thing stink. It smells like the bottom of a sewer. You got sewer balls. So to eliminate sewer balls, manscape. The third reason why you should manscape, because it makes it easier for the woman when she wants to go downtown. Not every woman needs a map to the treasure. So you eliminate the map by your zzz. You don't want her to have any reason why she should come up. You want her to stay down. And when you manscape, it's a smooth sail down there. Also too, she don't want to floss with your pubic hairs. She has regular floss for that. She don't need your pubes flossing with your, coming sounding like a cat. The fourth reason why you should manscape, and I'm not condoning it, but you my guys, so I gotta let you know. I gotta tell you this. Y'all ready? Nod your head. Okay. The fourth reason why you should manscape, if you're cheating. Okay, if you're cheating on your girlfriend, and don't tell her I told you this, because if you get caught cheating and you try to say, Uncle G told me, and you send me a message, I'm going to deny it. I'm going to say, I ain't say that. Okay, when you're cheating, you hook up with another woman. Body fluids are being exchanged. And when those body fluids are being exchanged, if you have some hair down there, her body fluids can go into your pubic hairs, thus creating a scent. So when you with your girl, especially if you're a dirty mofo, and you with your girl and she go down and she smells something, what's that for a smell? That smells like another woman. You like, no, I ain't do nothing, I ain't do nothing. You know you lying out your ASS. So look, shave the pubic hairs so you leave no trace. You don't ever want to leave that scent of another woman down there. Some women are so good, I don't care. You can scrub. You can scrub a dub, and she's still going to smell that other woman on you. So to eliminate that, cut it. But listen, you didn't hear it from me. Shh. Okay, now I told y'all the reasons why you should manscape. The clippers that you should use when you manscape, don't go out and buy those. It's a brand called Manscape with these expensive lawnmower clippers. No. don't go out and buy those Manscaped clippers. The clippers that you should use to Manscape are these right here, the ConAir Clippers. Right. Oop. Oh, yeah, I did Manscape last night. Ugh. But anyway, the ConAir Clippers. These clippers are inexpensive. I'm going to put a link on here, but you can get these clippers from Amazon for like $20. You don't need to go out and buy anything extravagant, anything expensive. Get these, the ConAir Clippers. Amazon, you can get them from like a Rite Aid or CVS. They do the job. They'll clean your region down there good, because you're the only ones that's going to be using these. So you might as well get something cheap that's going to work. I promise you, these work for me, Uncle G, and they're going to work for you. ConAir Clippers. I'm not endorsed by them or anything, so I'm just speaking from the heart. Get these ConAir Clippers, and I promise you, your manscaping is on point. I'm all about keeping it real with you, and I'm all about saving you money. So now you know 4 reasons why you should manscape. Now you know what clippers to use when you manscape. And if you're on a budget, because one of my little homies was telling me, one of my clients, he told me him and his friends share clippers when they manscape. First of all, why the hell are you sharing clippers with another dude? What is that all about? But I gave him the benefit of the doubt, and I said, okay, he didn't have any money. Because look, if he gets some crabs or something, then you're going to get some crabs or something. So don't share your clippers with anybody else when you're manscaping. I don't care if it's your brother. I don't care if it's your cousin. I don't care if it's your father. You get your own damn clippers. The ConAir Clippers are $20. You can get them. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a message down below. And that's what I'm here for. Uncle G. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, ciao!